We are starting with the audio test. This is the unbiased camera comparison video of POCO F7 versus Honor 400. We got dual camera system on both phones, 200 megapixel and 12 megapixel respectively on Honor 400, and we have 50 megapixel and 8 on POCO F7. We got Snapdragon chip on both phones, Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 on POCO F7 and Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 on Honor 400. I think that's it for a quick audio test. Let the battle begin. On the widest field of view, which is 1x, you get more details on the face on POCO F7, and you get a smoother look on Honor 400 and also has wider field of view. But sometimes POCO F7 creates this over-sharpened look while you have a more consistent behavior on Honor 400. It's smoother and has a warmer tone. On 2x, you got a stronger contrast on POCO F7. Also, the colors is stronger compared to the competition. Honor 400 is closer in reality, but still with AI beautification. I still like the details on POCO F7 if you look at my wife's face, but again, it depends who the subject is. If it's my mom, I think she would prefer Honor 400. Now, on the portrait zoom, this is where Honor 400 wins this category. We don't have portrait zoom on POCO F7. We only have 2 focal lengths on the latest Xiaomi phone. In terms of FOV or field of view, you got 2 on POCO F7, and we got 4 different FOVs on Honor 400. Now, going for the selfie shooter, I think both phones are really good. You just have a smoother looking POCO F7 and more detailed on Honor 400. I think this will be a matter of personal choice, but I would go for Honor 400 more on this category. Alright, hi everyone, this is JD from Gadget Rev Now. This is the vlogging test on both phones indoors. So we have 4K 30 FPS on Honor 400 and 1080p 30 FPS on POCO F7. We cannot shoot 4K on POCO phone, although it has Snapdragon 8 Gen, or rather Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, which is the latest, one of the latest Snapdragon processor. I think it can shoot 4K, but you know, POCO or Xiaomi will not give POCO F7 all the camera tricks and features because it's still a budget mid-range phone. In terms of video quality, you got a smoother face on Honor 400, which is nice, and you got a warmer look and stronger contrast on POCO F7. I think that's it for the selfie video recording vlogging test. Now let's check the rear cameras. Now this is the vlogging test using the ultra-wide sit-down vlogging test. So you would see what you would look like if you're doing this on a sit-down vlogging on YouTube or other social media platforms. So we have 0.7x on Honor 400, a bit tight on the FOV, while we have 0.6x on POCO F7. It's only 1080p 30 FPS compared to the 4K of Honor 400. In terms of video quality, of course I like the 4K video recording on Honor 400 compared to POCO F7. Brighter and natural looking. This is what it looks like with my face close up. I think that's it for the ultra wide. Now let's check the main sensor. Now, proper 4K battle begins on the main sensor. So we have a 200 megapixel sensor on Honor 400 versus 50 megapixel sensor on POCO F7. Which phone do you think is better on the sit-down vlogging test? Again, if you will be using these two phones for vlogging on YouTube or other social media platforms, this is what you would look like on both phones. If we check the details and video quality, 200 megapixel versus 50 megapixel on POCO F7. You got a brighter and more pinkish look on Honor 400 versus a greenish tone and natural looking POCO F7. This is what you would look like close up. I think that's it for the main sensor. So this is the video quality on 2x crop on both phones. We don't have zoom or telephoto on both phones. So we have 200 megapixel main sensor 2x and 50 megapixel 2x on POCO F7 respectively. I think that's it for a vlogging test. Which phone do you think is better? Again, difference in implementation. POCO F7 is performance based while you have Honor 400 camera based smartphone. I think that's it for the vlogging test. Image quality on the ultra-wide, we got a brighter, more colorful POCO F7, and you got natural looking HDR look on Honor 400. I think I prefer the one on Honor 400. You would also see that the Honor phone manages the highlights better looking at the chandelier.
Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up.
Using the main sensor, I think both phones are really good. You got a warmer looking POCO F7 compared to the natural looking Honor 400. The colors are popping out a bit more on the latest POCO phone. In terms of exposure, Honor 400 is crushing the shadows a bit and POCO phone exposes them better. Now on 2x, it's the other way around. You will see that the blacks are more defined on POCO F7. There's a little bit of over sharpening on the image, while natural looking and better exposed on Honor 400.
I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know.
We got farther zoom on Honor 400 30x versus 10x, but if you crop the 10x to match 30x, you will still have better quality on Honor 400. And in terms of macro, we don't have this on POCO F7, while it's available on Honor 400. This is the outdoor video test. So we have selfie video recording on both phones, 1080p 30 FPS on POCO F7. We don't have 4K on the newest and the latest POCO phone, and we have 4K 30 FPS on Honor 400. In terms of the processor, you have a faster processor on POCO F7. Let's check the autofocus. And again, this is vlogging test with human subject in frame. Let's check the colors. So we have a bluer sky on POCO F7. In terms of the trees, again, brighter on POCO F7. In terms of the exposure on the shirt, almost the same colors. Let's check the video stabilization. Alright, let's check the rear cameras. Starting with the ultra-wide, so we have, again, 1080p 30 FPS on POCO F7, and we have 4K 30 FPS on Honor 400. It's weird because you have a flagship processor on POCO F7, but they can't give 4K resolution on the video. I know the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 is capable of even 8K video recording, but again, this is a mid-range phone. In terms of colors, you have a warmer and more vivid look on POCO F7 compared to natural looking Honor 400. Let's check the autofocus. And this is vlogging test with human subject in frame. Let's check the video stabilization. Alright, I'm ending this video because we're switching to the main sensor. Alright, this is the main sensor test. I ended the video earlier because we cannot shoot 4K, or we cannot switch 4K from 1080p on POCO F7. So now this is the proper 4K video recording on both phones. Look at the exposure on the trees. Same exposure, same darkness around this area. Look at the colors of the sky and the trees and the grass. Which phone is more colorful? I think almost the same, just a bit brighter on POCO F7. Detail wise, can you see the difference of 200 megapixel versus 50 megapixel? Checking the autofocus. And this is what it looks like vlogging outdoors using both phones, Honor 400 versus POCO F7. Let's do the video stabilization test. Really good flaring, control of flaring for both phones. Switching to 2x. So this is 2x on both phones. Which phone has better details? I like the details on Honor 400 compared to POCO F7. Look at the sky. Again, you have a more vivid look on POCO F7 compared to Honor 400. And looking at the farthest zoom, we got 6x on POCO F7 and 10x on Honor 400. Switching back to the main sensor. Which phone do you think is better? On night shot using the Ultrawide, you got the brighter Honor 400, but it's not so bad on POCO F7. But the Honor phone is noisier than POCO F7. Now on pitch black condition, I prefer POCO F7, although darker, but you got a stronger contrast compared to the overexposed Honor 400. On the main sensor test, I like the colors of the grass on POCO F7 compared to Honor 400 and also the sky, but it is brighter on the latest Honor mid-range. On pitch black condition, I think they're almost the same look, same exposure and sharpness. On 2x crop, since both phones are using the main sensor, they're both really good. You just got the more contrasty look on POCO F7 and just brighter on Honor 400. And lastly, on pitch black condition, I prefer POCO F7. Look at the sofa. It's noisier on Honor 400.
Take care, bye.
Alright, so low light video test using both phones, POCO F7 versus Honor 400. We got 1080p, 30 FPS on POCO F7, and we have 4K 30 FPS on Honor 400. We can shoot 0.8x and 1x on Honor 400, so you can choose the focal length. You cannot do this on POCO F7. In terms of video quality, I like the video quality on Honor 400. Obviously, you have more details and less noise compared to POCO F7. Now let's check the rear cameras. Now we're checking the ultra wide. This is 0.6x on POCO F7 and 0.7x on Honor 400. 1080p on POCO and 4K 30 FPS on Honor 400. In terms of video quality, I like the warmer look on Honor 400, but I also like the natural looking tone on POCO F7. In terms of noise and details, not so bad on POCO F7, but you got more details on Honor 400, but you got a noisier video compared to POCO F7. This is my face close-up. Now let's check the main sensor. Now this is the proper 4K video recording on POCO F7 and Honor 400 using the main sensor. Both 50 megapixel sensor. The difference is the f-stop. f1.5 on POCO F7 and f2.0 on Honor 400. In terms of video quality, I like the brighter exposure on Honor 400, but I also like the natural looking tone on POCO F7. Look at the background blur. You got a creamier background blur on POCO F7 because of the f1.5. I also like the natural looking tone and contrast on POCO F7. But if you like a better exposed low light video, then go for Honor 400. Alright, so this is the low light video test using the 2x crop on both phones. We're just cropping in on the main sensor of both phones, 50 megapixel sensor. So this is the quality of the low light video from the Selfie, ultra wide main sensor and crop. Which phone do you think is better? Now let's check the video resolution. Now this is the video resolution test starting with POCO F7. This is 4K 30 FPS using the main sensor. And this is the latest Honor 400 4K 30 FPS using the main sensor as well. We can switch to the ultra wide. We can't do this on POCO F7. It's 1080p and 4K respectively. So I think that's it for a camera comparison video of these two phones. In terms of performance, obviously POCO F7 with Snapdragon 8s Gen 4, but in terms of camera performance, I would go with Honor 400. I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.